Hello guys, this is the ultrasonic detection and ranging project. The main function of this project is to find the obstacle which comes in front of this sensor and to display its distance from it on this LCD screen. Now the components that I have used in this is a 4x4 matrix keypad. This is a joystick module, a LCD screen, a ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 which is mounted on a 9-gram micro servo motor, a piezoelectric buzzer, two potentiometers, one 1K and other is 100 ohms, two LEDs, blue and green, two 330 ohms resistor, a 220 ohm resistor, a 10 kilo ohm pull down resistor, a push button, a capacitor, 470 microfarad, and a microcontroller Arduino Mega 2560. So now to start this project, we are asked to enter a security code here. So if anyone enters any wrong code, it will show access denied and the buzzer will beep up. Like so no one can enter your project. Now if you enter a right code, it will show access granted. Now both LEDs will light up. Now it will calibrate for 10 seconds and our green LED will dim, will blink up. Now the control will transfer to the blue LED and it will show your sensor is active. Now after 6 seconds we can use our ultrasonic detection. Now it is showing area clear because no obstacle is front of it. Now if I put my hand in front of it, it will show obstacle detected at and the centimeters. Like this. And if I remove my hand, it will show area clear. So if I connect my motor, it will start rotating. As I connect my motor starts rotating and my ultrasonic sensor also starts rotating. Now it works like a radar. Instead, I am using ultrasonic frequency. Now to change this rotating speed, we can use this potentiometer. If I move this potentiometer, the speed of the rotation of my sensor starts increasing. And if I want to make it slow down, I will again make my potentiometer rotate. Now my speed of the sensor is decreased. We can also change the range of the sensor through this potentiometer here from 0 to 400 centimeter. I have set it to 50 centimeter right now. Now the blue LED is showing the presence of an obstacle and green LED is showing the proximity of the obstacle. If I move my obstacle back, the green LED will be dim, like this. And if I move my hand towards my sensor, the green LED will be brighten up. And if I move back, green LED will be dim. Let me show you by some papers. So this is our automation control here. If I want to operate this sensor manually, I can also use my joystick. For this, I have provided a switch here. If I press this switch, my motor will come into the center and my LCD will display standby position, like this. Standby. Now my control has been transferred to my joystick module. Now I can use my joystick through my finger or thumb to manually operate this sensor in the direction in which I want. so we can use for any specific application. Now if I want to make it back working like a moving radar, I will again press this switch and it will start again rotating. Wait for a second. Now it is started again rotating back to work. Now to exit this project, I will use my reset button in my microcontroller here to exit, and it will come in the center and it will ask you to enter the security code again. So this was the whole setup which I used. I'm not showing here the programming of this code. You should try your own. And there are various applications of this sensor, like in home securities, in various kinds of robots and bots, driverless cars, etc. We can use this kind of concept anywhere. So all the setup, all these components I have bought from eBay, Amazon, etc. online shopping. So you can also buy all these things and they are not really very expensive. So this was the whole setup. Thank you.